Hello, Mr. Twy. Good morning.
Good morning. Long time no
Yes,
see.
yeah, it's been a while. So, how are you
Yeah.
doing?
This morning I go to the 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 mm, post office. I uh, I check uh, I check the post from my hometown. My mother sent gift for me.
Yeah.
Mhm. Sorry.
Ah, okay. Yes, like you received a package from your mother, right?
Yes, yes. I received the package from my mother.
All right. Oh, by the way, like I'm not sure, like when is the Mother's Day in Vietnam? Because tomorrow is the Mother's Day here in the Philippines. What about there?
Ah, tomorrow. Tomorrow is 11 May.
Ah,
In
okay. So the same.
sorry, in Vietnam, I don't remember Mother Day. But in Vietnam
Mm.
have the Woman Day, 20 October.
Ah, yeah. Okay, like what do we yeah, Women's Month or Women's Day. So we already
Mhm.
finished Women's Month last March. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. And our Mother's Day is tomorrow. Okay, so it is actually different from your country to my country. I really thought that it's tomorrow because your mother sent you a gift. Supposedly, it should be you sending a gift to your mom.
Mm.
Yeah. So, how's the weather in your place, Mr. Toy?
Yes, the weather in the South Vietnam is uh, rainy.
Mm.
This morning, uh, my my place have heavy rain.
Ay, okay.
Yes.
Is-
Um, in the South Vietnam is the rain season.
Mm, yeah. Here it is summertime in my country. Like during the day, it's gonna be so hot and sunny, but when it starts to rain in the afternoon. So we still
Ah,
can't trust the weather. It's like dry and wet season. Yeah, but actually we only
mm,
have two season here, dry and wet season. But during summer,
mm,
it still rains in the afternoon. That's just how
mm.
the typical weather here in my country. Yes. So what are your plans for today, Mr. Toy?
Uh, Today I have plan go to the my office after
Mm.
last yes after last uh, with you and I have just the the warehouse.
Ah, okay. So that sounds very productive day. Okay. So
Yes.
anyway, if you could remember, like I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, like we learned about sports. And
Mm-hmm.
here are the words that we learned. So let's just have a quick review. We have keep fit,
Keep fit. Yes.
healthy,
Yeah.
athlete,
Athlete,
winner, loser,
winner, loser,
competition, play sport,
competition.
and that's it. Okay. So here we are going to continue with part two. It's all about reading and discussion. So this time I will let you read this text. It's all about Peter talks about playing sports.
Mm, I read.
Yes, please.
Yeah, can you zoom out?
Zoom out like this.
Sorry, zoom big, zoom the big.
Like this. Zoom
Yes,
in.
you mean yeah. Yes, I have had a passion for playing sports since I was a little boy. When I was little, I often played football on the road with the children in my village. We play every afternoon. Now I am busy, but I play sport every day, and I play many kinds of sports such as football, table tennis, and swimming. Playing sport is good for both mental and physical health. It not only has me be strong, but also has me reduce stress and feel relaxed. Football is the most favorite sport of mine. I can play football continuously for nearly 90 minutes without feeling tired or exhausted. I play football with my friends twice a week. I would like to try playing tennis or golf. Actually, I have never played them, and when seeing other people play them, I feel every I feel very interested. But as you know, they are the sport which cost a lot of money to play. We can also learn many good things from playing sport. First, we can learn how to work or cooperate with the teammate to achieve a common goal. Second, we can learn to accept failure who we have hired a lot, which which is a valuable lesson in life.
Yes. Thank
That's
you
all.
so
Yeah.
much for reading this, Mr. Twai. So far, all pronunciation and intonation are correct. Now, do you have any question about this text?
Mm,
Do you have any question, Mr. Twai?
yes, I have hired, and it's how the same the same relax.
Say that again.
It's how
Ah,
the same relax.
okay. This means tired.
Mm,
You are tired. When you are exhausted, you are tired. Yeah,
the
it's the
the
same with
same
the
higher.
word tired. Yes. Oh, oh, why is that? Tired.
Higher.
Like that. Yeah, because my keyboards doesn't have letters on it anymore.
Mm,
Okay, so it's the same thing. Any more question?
mm. We can learn to accept value through. It mean we can learn to accept value. This mean the same improve skill.
We can learn to accept.
Yes,
This one to accept failure.
yes, value.
Okay, so what is your question though?
Oh, yes. Uh,
Okay.
I don't know accept value though.
Ah, okay. When we use though, okay, it's like the same with but.
Uh-huh. So the same person.
Okay. Like second, we can learn to accept failure, no, not but. It's the same with even though we tried. I don't know how to say it, but let me give you another example using though. Okay, like
So
um I s- I studied I failed the exam even though I studied so hard.
mm, so hard.
Even though like this one, English to Vietnamese, because I don't know how to explain it. English to Vietnamese. It's like though it's used to connect
Mm,
two sentences that contradicts each other. Like this one, like I studied, I failed. No, I failed the exam
mm,
even though
even.
I studied so hard.
Mm,
Like that. So we
yes.
use though um to say something that is opposite to what the idea is. Like this one. I will copy and paste this. Hold on.
So to yes, yes.
It's the same with although. Like this. It's the same with although. Like that. Or even though.
Sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, your connection is not good.
I'm sorry for that one, Mr. Toy, but can you hear me well? Can you hear me well?
Sorry. Yes, yes, I'm here. Before the internet, it's not good.
Oh, you know what, Mr. Toy? Like
Sorry,
I had two classes already before you. So
sorry.
far,
Hello.
oh, hello, yes, Mr. Toy. Can you hear me well?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. What's that? Actually, my internet is okay
Mm-hmm.
because uh because I just did a speed test and I had two classes before you. So far, all my classes went successful.
Yes,
Yeah, we
because I
ended
think the
successful.
shark it. Yes, I think that
Ah,
the shark it table.
I see. Okay. Anyway, speaking of though,
Sorry, I cannot hear.
ah, how
I
about
cannot
now? Can
hear.
you hear? I think it's your internet, like this one.
Yes,
I
I'm here.
think it's your connection. You can actually try to change into data.
Mm, mm.
Can you hear me, Mr. Twy?
Yes, I'm here well.
Ah, yes. Okay, so speaking of though, here it is. Like here, though is used to introduce a contrasting thought or idea. I told you that it's
Sorry,
similar to although.
so sorry, it's it's not good.
Ah, okay. I think it's better if we will just end the class.
Sorry, it's not
Yeah,
good.
yeah. So I'll just meet you on Thursday instead. Like,
I cannot
ah,
cannot hear.
okay. So we'll just continue on Thursday instead because you can't hear. It's probably because of your connection, like this one.
Sorry, I'm here.
Can you hear me
I
well?
think we will. Yes, I think we will continue.
Okay, Mr. Twice. So I apologize for today. See you on
Yeah,
Thursday.
yeah.
Bye, Mr.